featuring former champion Yuri Prochazka up against Serbia's Alexander Rakic, who's been out of action the last 2 years, while former featherweight champion Aljamain Sterling will take on Calvin Kattar. We have 2 title fights on the main card. The women's lightweight champion Zhang Wei Li will take on her fellow Chinese opponent Yan Xiaonan, while in the main event, the light heavyweight title on the line as champion Alex Pineda will take on Jamal Hill, who's only 9 months removed from surgery on a ruptured Achilles. Also, the BMF belt on the line this evening. Justin Gaethje will take on Max Holloway, and in a lightweight matchup, it is Charles Oliveira taking on Arman Tsarukyan. You can order the main card on Sportsnet Plus, which begins at 10 o'clock. On the Sports Center, I'm Alex Xero.
Business is next.
Do you feel like your debt is out of control? You make payments month after month, yet your debt grows larger and larger. I'm Mike Chanday, a licensed insolvency trustee. I can help you break the chains of debt and be